Hi guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to set up your alerts, chats and any other things you want to add to your streams or videos. So let's get straight on with the video. So the first method is bot tricks. You literally just type in bot tricks, it's right here on the top if you want to know how to spell it. You've got chat bots, so you can have your protections and stuff and your commands widgets, basically like chat, event labels, donation goals, all that sort of stuff. Profiles, this is where you'll set up your accounts, whether that be YouTube, Twitch and TikTok, or you can add any streaming platform that you use to this and it'll do all the alerts for those platforms if you're multi-streaming. And there's like interaction games, mini games, all you could ask for is on here. Next is stream elements. Literally just click on it, log into whatever account you use and it will show up like this. Now with this one you can have revenue, your tipping and all that stuff. Sponsorships, it will email you sponsorships that you can use for your stream. Now these can be limited on how many people can use them, so if you want to use them, get on them quickly. I never use them because I never have any of these games, but it says you can get loads of like gifted subs and money, so that's a great selection. Your dashboard elements, you can make your own alerts and widgets. Overlays, this is where all your overlays that you've made or you want to use that are already made for you. Overlays gallery, this is all the different types of ones that are already made for you. Just click create and then go to your overlays tab right here and they'll all be there and you can change the names to your channel name. Chatbots, this is where all your commands will be and any custom commands. And that is basically it. And media requests, if you do like media requests of YouTube videos or anything like that, you can do that as well. Now the last one is Streamlabs, and on Stream Elements also you can do the chat as well. So Streamlabs, you want the desktop version, you can download it, but if you're streaming from there then everything will be on there. But I'm using the dashboard on Chrome and basically it's just the same. You make your own alerts and you can see your analytics, recent events, chatbot, where you can just pick one and it'll come up as boxed, old school, chunky, however you want them. If I go back, themes and overlays, this is where you can add any of these themes to your OBS or Streamlabs. Now this is a Fortnite one, as you can see, and you can just add it to your OBS and hey presto, you're done. Next, panel maker, any panels you want for your Twitch, come here, change the name and the picture and you're done. All widgets like emotes, chat highlights, spin wheel, anything you want you can get on here and they have a lot more options. Next, tipping, that's the same as Stream Elements. You just do your PayPal. Make sure you make a business account on PayPal so they can't see your email address or any of your personal information. Custom website, you can make a custom website on here, upload it, and then you can have all your merch and stuff on it. Multi-stream, this is if you have the Upgrades Ultra, you can stream on multiple platforms at once using Streamlabs. Desktop, this is just all different types of stuff on their app store that you can use. Merch store, now with this option you can literally just upload a file or go to like need a logo, design with Fiverr, get someone to design the logo for you, and that's basically that for the merch. And then this is like you earn points and you can use these to redeem any of these that you want. So whether that's 10 giveaway entries, brand discounts, and if you like charity fundraising you can do that too. By register as a charity or start a fundraising thing, whether that be for cancer or anything related to fundraising. Edit and share option on Streamlabs. You get podcast editor if you like to podcast, clip editor to convert your live stream clips into TikToks or shorts or reels, video editor. This, I've never tried it, so maybe I make a video on a challenge making a YouTube video with this. And then link in bio tool, stream link space. Now you can put all of your socials on here and then they're all together Now that is 3 ways in how to do stream alerts, chatbot, commands, and any other widget you want to do, or stream overlays. Now if you guys want any more tips on to do with streaming or video editing, please comment down below and let me know, and I will make that video to help you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.